Hey guys, what's up, YouTube? I got my stuff locked in. Nobody want breaking into my stuff. My Xbox on, don't worry about it. Alright, my back hurts. Alright, my Jakey Ball review. I went to Walmart yesterday. I'm asking Magic Ball a question. Magic Ball, do you like YouTube? Yes or no? Answer. Magic Ball, do you like YouTube? Yes or no? Answer. Is it decidedly so? Magic Ball, you're not in fun no more. Good night. Goodbye. Alright. Same thing with that. Now, next one, I got a lock for $14 at Walmart. That was yesterday. After my dentist, we went to Taco Bell. Hold on, you guys. It's turned off. Alright, there we go. I guess my phone. It's gonna unlock. See, I don't want you to see my number. Privacy. It's not a phone number, it's a lock number. I don't want you to go access my app. That's a necklace. That's where I keep it. Door closed. Bang. Hold on, you guys. Let me put this lock on the door. Sorry, people. Too complicating. Thing handle the door is not good. I'm mad at this. I'm gonna go in there. Sounds not fair. Let me get a new lock. Get a new necklace. Ching ching. Alright, guys. That'll be it for you guys. And it's not clickbait. Thank you. Goodbye.